everyone, it's Michelle from Country Morning Creations, and I've had a couple of people ask me about how to make a belt. So I've made this journal, and it's my Outlander journal, and as you can see, it's alligatoring already really badly. So I wanted to make a belt to go around it to kind of help hold things in. And so I thought I'm doing it anyway, I thought I would just show you real quick how that works. So I've taken some faux suede. I have cut it 1/2 inch, which is what we need to be able to feed it through the belt buckle like this. And what I'm going to do is just show you real quickly how that's going to work. So this end is the end that gets the belt buckle. I'm going to square that off just a wee bit. It seems like it's not quite square, and it needs to be very square. That will fit right over the top like that. And so what we need to do next is to actually put this underneath of it and mark with a pencil or something sharp where that hole is going to go. So I want to line everything up. Hold on. Oh, I'm back. I'm going to line everything up and make sure this is going to be right where it needs to be. We're going to put a circle there, and that should line up, not quite, so it does need to go back a little bit more. We're going to put it about right there. And I'm going to take my Crop-A-Dile now, and on the top you can see there's 1/8 inch and there's 3/16. I only want the 1/8 inch. And here's the awesome thing, if 1/8 inch isn't big enough, I can make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and just put that right in there, line it up. Kind of making sure I'm in the middle. And that pokes a hole right through it. We're going to then take that piece, and you then take your, so these are the Tim Holtz ones. They come with these pieces, and I'm just going to push everything straight up and down. And you can see that that is pretty easy to do. Now, what I want to do is kind of mark a little bit how far I need to mark some of these. This is going to be removable, so I need to mark where I'm going to put our holes in the belt buckle. Oops, I have it twisted somewhere. There it is. All right, so I'm going to mark where I need to put some of these holes, and to really pull this good and tight, I need one at least right about there. Then we can put some extra holes in this. Let's see, there's one about, yeah, looks like it's right there is one. And I'm going to grab a ruler. Let's put them about every 1/2 inch. Those are centimeters. I need 1/2 inch. I'm going to put another one 1/2 inch this way. I think they look better when you've got about 3 holes. 1, 2, let's do one more, 3. And we're going to go ahead and punch 3 more holes, and then to reinforce this hole, these holes, I am going to go ahead and put some eyelets in. Let me get these holes punched, and then we will go from there. All right. So I've got 1, 2, 3 holes. Just double checking. My light is not fabulous, so I have one right there. One right there. And one more right about there. All right, so now I have my 3 holes. I need to grab my grommets, so I'll be right back. All right, so I bought these in where there's a bunch of different colors, and a lot of these colors match the same colors as these pieces that are Tim Holtz pieces. So I used my Crop-A-Dile, and it comes with this guide, and I know that I'm doing a 1/8 inch eyelet, not an eyelet and a washer, but an eyelet. So I need to set the top piece to the C and the bottom piece to the 3. So I've already done that. I'm going to take an eyelet and put it through there. I'm going to chomp it with my Crop-A-Dile. Oops, I need to move that all the way out to the end. And it should make that crunching sound, and on the back you'll see it flowers out. That is correct. You want it to do that kind of flowering piece like that. Get this next one in. Oops, I keep knocking it out. So we're going to put that one in. Make sure it all lines up. Nope. Try that again. All right. Good crunch there. And one more. And the last one. And there we go. So now I have my belt. I will go ahead and glue this piece to the metal pieces here. I'm going to glue all of this down off camera, but I will go ahead and glue that. And then for a belt as a closure, I simply wrap it around the book, put the piece through here. We're going to make it tight, and you just feed it through like that. And voila, you have a belt closure for your journals. Well, I hope you've enjoyed that tutorial today, and I hope I've inspired you to be creative.